Hi, Janelle. It's Leslie. You had a question about the margin, setting the margins. I'm looking at Project 1A here on my screen, and let's see, on page 24, they want you to create the footer and center the worksheet. So you've just got done doing your spark lines, and it says if necessary click A1 to deselect the chart, or there were some other things that you were doing as well. So if we click up here, that just means that we don't have anything else selected. And then they want us to go to the page layout tab, and here's the page setup box, and we can click margins, and then you should be able to click custom margins here, so you should be able to see it, and I'm not quite sure why you're not able to. So once you click custom margins, then you can center it on the page horizontally. And let's see, what else do they, oh, they also want you to do the footer. So you would click the tab here for header and footer and click custom footer, and in the left section they want you to insert the file name, which is right here, and then click on OK, and then OK one more time. The other place that they want you to do that is once you've shown the formulas. So this is the same document, but they're just pointing out that you can display all the formulas in a sheet if you want to. So they have you go over, so now I'm on page 27 and 28. So 27 is where they want you to go over to the formula tab, and then in the formula auditing group you click show formulas. That shows all the formulas. Now you do need to change the orientation, because for instance if I go to print preview right now, you can see that my information is going to print on 2 pages. So what they are going to have you do is go back to the page layout tab, and then click on orientation and click on landscape. Now, and I have my little print preview shortcut here, so I'll just show you real quick. So it still is printing just a little bit on page 2. So the reason then they have you do the landscape, and then over here on the scale to fit area, they want you to click on one page and do that, and now everything will be on one page. And they also want you to go and do the margins, and then custom margins again. So it should, again, I'm not quite sure. I might have to look at what you're working on. It still should have that horizontally centered checkbox clicked, and then go ahead and click on OK again. They're saying in the book if you need to readjust the width of these columns, that's fine. And then if we go back to the print preview, now we can see that everything is on one page because we use that scale to fit in order to have Excel figure out how to make it on one page. So I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, don't worry about if you want to go ahead and submit your work. Go ahead and do that, and I can take a look at it, and then I can give you feedback. I can also look at it on Tuesday in our Word class. We could go over it then as well. So whichever works for you. If you don't get it submitted before Monday, remember I have it set up in the same fashion where on Monday is the suggested due date for Chapter 1, but it will remain, the links will remain open for a little bit after that. So no worries about, not getting it in on Monday. Okay, so I hope that this is helpful. Certainly let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, take care.